Nestled in the heart of Dubai, the Green Planet is a lush indoor rainforest that brings the tropics to the desert. Home to over 3,000 species of plants, animals, and birds, this biome offers a unique opportunity to explore exotic ecosystems. It's an ideal destination for families, school groups, and anyone looking for an immersive nature experience. Visitors can even enjoy special activities like rainforest picnics, swimming with piranhas, or stepping into the shoes of a zookeeper for a day. Designed to raise awareness about the critical role rainforests play in sustaining life on Earth, the Green Planet invites guests into a carefully curated environment housed within a striking glass structure built with sustainability in mind. The Green Planet is divided into 4 distinct layers: the canopy, mid-story, forest floor, and flooded rainforest. Each level highlights a different aspect of rainforest ecology, offering a multi-sensory journey through cascading waterfalls, free-roaming wildlife, and vibrant plant life. In 2022, the Green Planet partnered with Dubai Safari Park to launch an animal exchange program. This initiative supports conservation efforts and promotes the ethical relocation and breeding of animals in a safe, enriching environment. The admission prices range from $140 to $175 depending on residents and tourists, with separate rates for adults and children. Group packages and multi-entry passes are also available. Tickets can be purchased directly or through the official website, where you can choose your preferred date and time slot. Located in the trendy City Walk district, the Green Planet is surrounded by a variety of dining and entertainment options, making it easy to plan a full day of fun. Just steps away, City Walk offers a European-style promenade filled with boutique shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Catch a film at Roxy Cinemas or check out the event schedule at Coca-Cola Arena, which hosts concerts and shows throughout the year. City Walk features a mix of indoor and outdoor dining, including the C2 dining zone, with spots like Toucan, Izakaya, and Rare Steakhouse. For more upscale experience, nearby Michelin-starred restaurants such as Orfali Bros, Lana Lusa, and 11 Woodfire offer exceptional cuisine.